So when is the maximum starvation, deaths and despair? April, May, June, July of 1866, rain starts coming, right? Orissa was a last area that British captured in India, but it was part of the Bengal province then. Bengal came under British hegemony in 1756, the Battle of Plassey. But Orissa came into British hegemony in the year 1803, almost 50 years later. Calcutta was the center of British power then. Orissa was mostly ruled by small kingdoms, which were ruled by not very powerful kings, but they were independent, except coastal Orissa. So it was mostly the coastal districts that was under British control. Communication was very, very poor. It was mostly by sailboats along the sea. So it was a different kind of land then. Population wise, Orissa was only 3 million, of which one third died. Out of 3 million people, if one third die, 33%, everything was affected. They had various areas had surplus, various areas had shortage. Orissa was short. It was the poor people who died, marginal farmers, daily laborers, those kind of people died. Those who were more powerful or in government service or something, they could have money in hand or food in hand, they survived. Those who did not, either couldn't buy or did not have stored food. There were 3 crop failures. The British officer in charge of the Orissa area, he was a Malthusian. He believed that the famines, if they come, they are natural and they should be allowed to happen. It is a nature's way of balancing population. So if there is a famine, not wise to interfere. So he didn't order the food from other areas, mainly rice. He could have ordered it from Madras. He could have ordered it from East Bengal. He could have ordered it from Rangoon. They were all under British control. So when people were hungry and dying, he was forced to order his office because he was himself not convinced that he should get and save these lives. They did not initially make any arrangements to get food from other places. Later, as the hue and cry developed, people started dying. They did get food. Communication was not there. The ships came and were on the coast, but the people lived, a little bit interior. There was no road. So the food stayed there without being utilized. After the rain was over, August, September, those who had seeds could immediately plant it. Next year, there was a bumper crop. Population has gone down. Only problem is the people who had died, so they were not available to work. They had those food items waiting in the shore, shipped in, and that is what resolved all the problems. So now all these rations, PDA, public distribution system, these are there in India because of this fear for famine situations.